Hi, it's Amanda, creative gardener, and here is a sick buddy that I've come across. Now, here's something that prior to being in the Caribbean, I would never have done this. And I found this little fella. She, um, he was on my curtain in the bedroom and was there for a while. And I was thinking, what's it doing there? And I kept moving the curtain every now and again, and he would like crawl up or fall down. But he's sick, and he looks a bit dehydrated. I've got some water. I put some water on my hands just to see if that would help. He's still alive. I saw him on the floor and thought, well, you must be hungry and thirsty. I don't know whether they drink water. So, as I said, he was on the floor, so I picked him up, and yeah, you can see his little heart beating there. And so I thought, let me bring him out here and see if I release him, that he'll be able to, if I put him where the plants are, he'll be able to catch some bugs and be nursed back to health. Okay, so this has to be sick, because they would never let you come this close, let alone pick it up. So, as I said, I found this little one on my curtain, and you can see he's still breathing. I put a bit of water on my hand to see if that will help hydrate him. He looks like he's drying out, so might need a bit more water. I don't know whether to release him and put him on a plant and see if he can nurse himself back to health, or whether I need to put him in a like a little box with some grass and some leaves and catch some mosquitoes for him. But we'll see how it goes. I think I might have to nurture him back to health, just like I did my chicken.